Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have a EZVIZ smart home camera and we will unbox it and then we will connect it to the mobile. So let's start. In its box we found a camera adapter and a data cable. First turn on the camera and open App Store in your mobile and search here EZVIZ app. I have it already installed. Open the EZVIZ app and log in with your Gmail. And now press Add Device button and select type of device. Scan the QR code of camera and it got this camera. Tick on device is power on and next. Press start. Again tick and next. And here you will select Wi-Fi network which you want to connect. So press on select button and select your Wi-Fi network. Type the password of Wi-Fi network and press next. Connect to the camera's hotspot once. And now camera is connecting with internet. Select a name for this camera. After typing a name, press next. Now camera is going to connect with internet and mobile. Camera has been connected to our mobile. You can see that video quality is very good. Press next again. And here you will create a password for this camera. Again type the same password and press have modified. Press cancel. Touch and play the camera. Video quality of this camera is very good. Let's see more feature of this camera. It can move 360 with motion detection. You can listen and talk with this camera and it have a clear night vision up to 33 feet. 2.4 Wi-Fi supported and 256 GB SD card supported. You also can connect it with cloud storage.